Hello guys, welcome back, and today's video we are looking at the division of complex numbers, and we have this question which is z1 equals to 1 minus I3 and z2 to be equals to minus 3 minus I4. So how do you divide this question which we have? And remember that here you have this I squared to be equals to minus 1. You must substitute where there is I squared with the minus 1. So let's get started. For solution, we must divide z1 divided by z2. So it will be, this is a question how it is for division. So if you can see this question, the way of starting it, you must look for a conjugate to minus 3 minus I4. This conjugate which you are going to have, you are going to multiply with denominator with the numerator. Okay, so we are going to say our conjugate, it is minus 3 plus I4. This sign changes to positive as the conjugate. Same here, minus 3 plus I4. Okay, if you reach now here, this is now where you multiply 1 times minus 3, you are going to have minus 3. 1 times the I4, you are going to have plus I4, then minus I3 times the negative 3, you are going to have positive 9. You're going to have I9, then plus negative I3 plus times the I4. You are going to have minus, because negative and positive, which is minus 12. Let's say I squared 12. Okay, over negative 3 times negative 3, you're going to have 9, and the negative 4 times the positive I4, you're going to have minus 16 I squared 16. Okay, in which you're going to have, let's simplify here, negative, here we have negative 3 I4 plus the I9, you're going to have plus 13 I13, then minus, remember that here where this I squared, you're going to substitute it with negative 1, so in which it will be negative 1 times the 12, okay, over 9. Same applies to here, which is here we have I squared, in which you're going to have minus 1 times the 16, okay, in which it will be equals to minus 3 plus I13, then negative times negative, it will be a positive. Positive times 12, which is plus 12, over, same applies here, negative times negative, which is positive, so 1 times 16, it will be 9 plus 16, in which it will be equals to, here you are going to correct the like term, minus 3 plus 12, you are going to have 9 plus I18 over 25. This one, 9 plus 16, which is 25, in which we can split these values into fraction, which is 9 over 25 plus I18 over 25. This is our answer for this question here. Thank you for watching, and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see the new updates. remember to check the previous video which I proceed, which is on the multiplication of complex number.